Hello, good morning my dear students. Welcome back to your English class. Students, in this class we are going to read one of the most important topics of English grammar. And can you guess what? Students, yes, you are right. It is tense. Okay, so today we are going to read tenses. Now what is tense? Tense means time. Right. So tense tells us the time basically, right? So here you all know with that tenses are of three parts, that is present, past and the future, right? So present, the time which is going on, past, the time which is already passed, and the future, the time which will come in future. Clear? So each tense has four parts again, that are present simple, right? And then present continuous, and then present perfect, and then present perfect continuous. So these are the four parts of each tenses. Similarly, past simple, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. उसी तरह से future, future simple, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So there are basically 12 tenses. Clear? So we will read about each tense deeply one by one. So in this class we are just going to read about these two tenses, that are simple and the continuous. Continuous is also called progressive. Clear? So are you all ready to read all these? So let's get started. So first of all, as I already told you that we are going to read simple present tense. So simple present. So let's first understand that where to use simple present tense. Students, we use simple present tense to show fact, popular saying, third one is habits, okay, and routine. So for these things we use simple present tense to show fact, popular sayings, habits or routine. जैसे the earth moves around the sun, right? So this is a fact. So it will also always be in a present simple tense. और स्टूडेंट जो न्यूज़पेपर की हेडिंग्स होती है, इफ़ यू हैव रेड न्यूज़पेपर, इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर एवर, यू विल सी दैट जो न्यूज़पेपर की हेडिंग है दे आर ऑलवेज इन अ present simple tense. So this is how we use a present simple tense. Clear? Now the next is present simple tense का जो structure है, how to form present simple tense. Okay, so if you are going to form present simple tense, you need a subject and then you need a verb plus es or s. In case the subject is singular, you will add es or s with the verb, and then you will use object. Clear? This structure is for positive sentence or you can say affirmative sentences. Clear? तो ये जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है ये आपका हो गया स्ट्रक्चर किसका? अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस का. क्लियर? कोई let's have a look at an example. I like I like mango. So this is affirmative sentence. Clear? Now to make it interrogative, what you have to do, you will write as do or does. So students, do or does are the verbs we use in a present simple tense. So where to use do and where to use does? Students, we use do along with the plural subject and we use does along with the singular subject. Now what are the plural subject and what are the singular subject? Plural subject, for example, they, you, we, and I also comes under it. And next is singular like he, she, it. Clear? So you have to use the helping verb do or does in a simple present tense. So to make it interrogative, you will first use, do or does, depends on the subject, and then you will use subject. Then you will use verbs first form only, and then you will use object and question mark. This is the structure of interrogative sentence. Okay. Now let's change this sentence into interrogative. कैसे करेंगे बेटा? देखिए, सबसे पहले we will go according to the structure. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या लिखा? Do और does. देखिए कौन सा यूज करना है हमें? हम इस वाले पे हैं. We have to use do, right? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Do, because the subject is I. Okay, and then what is the subject? I को आप you में change कर देंगे because you are asking the question to the another person. Clear? अब आप क्या करेंगे? You will write verb. What is the verb here? Like is the verb, so like. And then what is the object? Mango is the object. And then you will just add question mark. Do you like mango? This is interrogative sentence. I hope it is clear. Now the next third part, that is negative sentence. So affirmative को हम negative में कैसे change करें? So let's write the structure first. Subject plus do or does, and then you will add not, and then you will add verbs first form, and then what next? Object. Clear? So कैसे change करेंगे? What is the subject? I is the subject, so I. Then I के साथ which helping verb will you use? Yes, you will use do. Clear? Or then because it is negative sentence, we'll use do not, and then verbs first form, that is like, and then object, that is mango. So I hope it is clear. बेटा आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You have to just learn the structure. This is the structure, and then you will easily solve each and every question. I do not like mango. Clear? Now the fourth part. What is the fourth part, students? Fourth part is interrogative negative. हमने पढ़ा कि affirmative और interrogative. फिर हमने पढ़ा नेगेटिव, और अब हम पढ़ने वाले हैं इंटेरोगेटिव नेगेटिव. तो इंटेरोगेटिव नेगेटिव को बनाने के लिए व्हाट स्ट्रक्चर यू नीड? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड डू और डज, दैट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. क्लियर? एंड देन यू विल यूज सब्जेक्ट, एंड देन यू विल यूज नॉट, एंड देन वर्ब, देन सब्जेक्ट, एंड देन वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. Clear? So let's go to the according to the structure. सबसे पहले आपको use करना है do or does. So along with I, what will you use? You will use do. Clear? And then subject was you. I told you in interrogative you have to change I into you. And then not. And then verbs first form, that is like. And then object. What is the object? Mango. So according to this structure you have to complete it. So students, now let's start with the present continuous tense. So present continuous tense is the tense which tells us that the action is going on at the time of speaking. So the actions which are going on at the time of speaking comes under present continuous tense, or you can say present progressive tense. and then you will use helping verb. And what are the helping verb? Is, are or am are the helping verb of present continuous tense. And then you will use, verb first form plus ing. Why you are using ing? Because it is a continuous tense. So in any continuous tense you have to use ing along with the verb. Clear? And then what do you have to use? You have to use object. Clear? So वो जो sentence हमने फर्स्ट में पढ़ा था, I like Maggie, ठीक है? So वो सिंपल टेंस था. अब हम इसको चेंज कर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. जैसे I और I के साथ we always use am, right? So I am and then any verb like write. So ing, writing. I am writing a letter. So I is the subject, am is the helping verb, writing is the main verb, and letter is the object in this sentence. So this is how you can form present continuous tense. It means you are writing a letter right now. Clear? Now the next is interrogative. आपको interrogative कैसे form करना है? इसी का interrogative formation के लिए you have to write that helping verb, that is again is, are or am, and then you will write subject, then V1 plus ing, and then object, then question mark. Clear? So यहाँ पे देखेंगे helping verb कौन सी यूज करेंगे. As I told you, अगर I sentence affirmative sentence में होता है तो आपको जब क्वेश्चन बना रहे हैं, इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं, तो यू विल चेंज I into you. क्लियर? सो यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. कौन सी हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करेंगे? यू के साथ we use are. क्लियर? यू के साथ हम कौन सी हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करते हैं? are. क्लियर? उसके बाद हमने बोला सब्जेक्ट. As I told you, I is the subject, but we will change I into you. Are you? Clear? And then you will write verb. Clear? That is writing. Are you writing? And what is the object in the sentence? Right. That is a letter. Clear? So, are you writing a letter? And my mistake, this question mark will come. Right? So this is interrogative sentence. Now let's move forward and understand how to form negative sentence. The number third. Negative sentence, subject plus helping verb. What are the helping verbs, students? Yes, is, are, am are the helping verb. Clear? And then you will use not because it is a negative sentence, and then you will use V1 plus ing because it is a continuous tense, and again object. So what is this? This is a negative sentence. Okay, so let's change that sentence into negative. I, clear, and then helping verb. What helping verb will you use? Am. I am. Then the structure says to add not. So here is not, and then you will write verb first form along with the ing. So I am not writing. What is the object? A letter is the object. ठीक है बेटा. So now the next number 4 is how to form interrogative negative sentence. Clear? So interrogative, to form interrogative negative you need first helping verb, and you know what are the helping verb in the present continuous tense. In the present continuous tense there are 3 helping verbs that are is and are. Clear? So here you have to add helping verb, and then you will add subject, and then you will add not. Okay, and then you will add verb first form along with the ing. Clear? And then you will add object plus question mark. So let's change the sentence into negative. First, as I told you, you have to change the subject into you. That is I into you. Clear? So here along with the I we use are, along with you we use are, right? You के साथ हमें are का यूज करना है. Clear? उसके बाद हम देखेंगे सब्जेक्ट को हमने I को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? You में. Are you. Then according to the structure we have to use not. इसके बाद क्या we have learned how to form interrogative sentence with the helping verb. Clear? Now we are going to use interrogative WH word. Clear? So first of all you have to add WH word, any WH word, that is to say why, when, where, who. Clear? And then you will add helping verb, and then you will add subject, then you will add verbs first form, ing, and then object. Again question mark because it is an interrogative sentence. So WH word, that is you can say, we can take who, then is writing a letter. So यहाँ पे you can see that यहाँ पे हमने who लिख दिया है, means the person is unknown. So we can't add subject in the structure. So our structure will be WH word, and then helping verb, and then main verb. Who is writing a letter? Clear? So this is how you can form the different sentences. Clear? So I hope